Yo, what's up my best friend Cruz, let's go to the train.
Yeah, Kevin.
Yo, let's go to the front seat.
Gay. Kevin.
Yeah, Cruz?
Look who the driver is.
Stay clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh shit, it's an Indian. He is gonna crash the train like 9/11 plane.
What's up, Cruz and Kevin?
Bitch, what the fuck are you doing here?
Aren't you like supposed to catch guys with fucking anime body pillows?
No, because today is my break and I want to go to vacation for a bit.
So you're not gonna give me a fine?
No.
Oh, thank God.
La 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 la, get child bitch, la 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 la, you gotta pay a fine, la 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 la.
You know what, just shut the fuck up right now or I will kick you the fuck out of this fucking train, you fucking bozo.
Okay fine, but that won't stop me from giving you a fine, lol.
Bruh.
Okay, the doors are about to close, so get the fuck in right now or you will get fucking crushed.
Oh shit, why do I hear Indian music?
Look, WHO is driving.
Oh shit, it's an Indian, I hope we don't crash.
This shit is fire.
This train is going faster than the time that it took for Isho Speed to get his second strike.
I know, right? That shit is crazy, but it feels like the train is getting faster.
He just skipped a train stop.
I'm gonna skip another train stop because I don't give a fucking shit about the passengers, they are just stupid NPCs lol.
This fucking train is going so damn fast that IT feels like IT is about to derail.
We're all gonna die now.
I don't wanna die.
I haven't reached max speed yet. I'm gonna try to reach it right now. Oh shit, I think I pressed the wrong button.